Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to guide you through a quick step on how to log into your Citibank online banking account. Simply open your web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in citi.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official site for Citibank, which looks like this. To log into your online banking account, go to the right hand side of the screen and enter your user ID followed by your password. If you don't remember your user ID and your password, you can get help by clicking this Forgot User ID or Password link and follow through the prompts to look for your credentials. But if you remember your credentials, you can type it in the respective text boxes. Start off by typing in a user ID in the first text box. On the next field, type in your correct password for your online banking account. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID on this device, check this little box beneath. If you're using a public or a shared device, leave it unchecked. And finally, click on the Sign On button in order to access and manage your Citibank online banking account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video like this. Stay tuned till then.